What if a small studio could offer everything your guests need for a comfortable stay? The secret isn't having more space, it's making every square meter work for you. In this transformation, you'll see how a 6.7 by 4 meter studio was carefully designed into a warm and inviting Airbnb through smart space planning, custom built-in furniture, layered lighting, and a modern contemporary style with warm luxury touches. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. This studio already had a good foundation, however, it felt plain and unfinished. The walls were empty, the ceiling was simple, and there was no clear separation between areas. The goal was to transform this open space into a warm and welcoming Airbnb bed area where guests can relax, recharge, and enjoy a comfortable stay. Let's begin with the base finishes. Since the existing flooring already matched the overall design, it was kept to serve as the foundation of the entire space. The walls and ceiling were painted with a soft, warm beige, then recessed pin lights were added to provide bright and even lighting across the studio. Another feature that was retained is the existing built-in wardrobe, since it was still in good condition, but the doors were upgraded with full-height mirrored doors to make the room feel brighter and more spacious. Beside it is a simple wall moldings frame, a large artwork, making it one of the room's main focal points. Positioned in front is a custom platform bed with built-in drawers, layered with neutral bedding and soft pillows, while an upholstered bench at the foot provides a convenient place to sit or place luggage. Below, a woven area rug adds warmth underfoot, while a sculptural LED pendant light above provides a soft, warm glow. Beside the bed, a partition with a curved shape featuring open shelves and hooks for decor and everyday items. Moving to the side of the bed, you'll find a custom built-in vanity that also works as a small work desk, together with vertical wood slat panels behind and a decorative table lamp on top. Two upholstered ottomans slide neatly underneath the counter whenever they're not in use, helping keep the walkway open. Above, a custom overhead cabinet hides the split-type air conditioner without making the area feel heavy. Beside the vanity, the window and door layered with Roman blinds and sheer curtains to control the sunlight throughout the day. Moving across the bed, you'll find clean wall panels that create a simple yet elegant TV wall, with the wall-mounted smart TV installed on a swivel mount so guests can easily watch from both the bed and the dining area. Below, a custom console cabinet with extended countertop toward the dining area, creating a built-in dining table. Above the television is a full-height overhead cabinet with an open niche creates the perfect place for selected item. Soft LED strip lighting installed beneath the cabinets adds another layer of warm lighting. Beside is a decorative wall molding paired with a framed artwork, brings more visual interest to the space. Below it, a foldable work table provides space for work or study and folds flat against the wall when no longer needed. A few decorative accessories placed on top complete the styling without taking up valuable space. Beside it, an indoor plant introduces a touch of nature, helping soften the clean lines and making the room feel more fresh and welcoming. Together, these carefully planned features transform one side of the studio into a warm and functional Airbnb bed area where guests can sleep, work, and relax comfortably, with an estimated total cost of $4,500 to $6,800. In this compact space, the goal was to create a warm and functional dining area where guests can comfortably enjoy meals or simply spend time together. Since the TV console top is extended to the dining area, it doubles as a dining table, giving guests a comfortable place to eat without taking up extra space. It is paired with cantilever dining chairs upholstered in soft olive green fabric. Behind the dining table, a custom wood-framed mirror stretches almost the full width of the wall. The open display niche from the entertainment wall extends above the dining area, complete with integrated LED strip lighting showcasing a few carefully selected decorative pieces. Mounted below it, an adjustable spotlight fixtures provide focused lighting over the dining table while highlighting the mirror and display shelf. Along with it, you'll find a dedicated coffee station featuring a custom storage cabinet provides extra space for coffee supplies and other daily essentials. Above it, gloss finish overhead cabinets offer additional concealed storage. Beneath is an integrated LED strip lighting brightens the countertop. The vertical wood slat wall behind, serving as an attractive backdrop for the coffee station, extended near the door. Mounted on the wall, a movable socket for coffee maker machine within easy reach. Beside the coffee station, a shoe storage cabinet provides hidden storage, while its top surface serves as a display for a table lamp and decor. To make this section both practical and visually appealing, a framed artwork helps hide the electrical panel without blocking access for maintenance, while a wall-mounted smart home control panel is retained. Together, these thoughtful features transform a small corner of the studio into a functional dining area with a coffee station that adds convenience to the overall Airbnb experience with an estimated total cost of $3,000 to $4,500. The space already had an existing kitchen layout with built-in storage, so the renovation focused on improving its appearance and functionality rather than changing the layout. One of the first upgrades you'll notice is the new cabinet finishes, where the warm wood base cabinets are paired with glossy beige overhead cabinets that now extend all the way to the ceiling. The light quartz countertop was retained, providing a durable work surface that's easy to clean. The undermount sink, sleek chrome faucet, and compact induction cooktop were retained since they were still in good condition and complemented the design. Above the sink, the built-in microwave is neatly integrated into the overhead cabinets, keeping it within easy reach without taking up valuable countertop space. On the left, a bottom freezer refrigerator is positioned beside the main work area, making it easy to move between the refrigerator, sink, and cooktop during meal preparation. Integrated LED strip lighting below the overhead and base cabinets provides extra light for everyday tasks while giving the kitchen a warm and welcoming glow. Next to the refrigerator, a full-height wardrobe combines storage for luggage and hanging clothes with an open display niche for selected decorative pieces. Then, integrated LED lighting enhances the display while creating a warm and elegant look. Together, these carefully planned features create a compact kitchen that's practical and comfortable for everyday cooking, with an estimated total cost of $2,900 to $4,500. Every part of this 6.7 by 4 meter studio, from the sleeping area and entertainment wall to the dining space and kitchen, was carefully designed to make the most of the available space. By combining modern contemporary design with warm luxury touches, smart storage, layered lighting, and custom built-ins, this once-empty studio has become a welcoming space that guests can truly enjoy. So, which feature was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.